friends, so I got my very first package from Double Dip, and I thought I would go ahead and open it here on camera with you guys, and you can see exactly what I got. So I have not taken anything out yet. I just opened it. My packing slip out here. All right, so I did get their clear powder, just because right now I've been using the Mia Secret, and I wanted to see if this stuff went on any thinner than the Mia Secret for capping, because my Mia Secret is so thick. So I'm gonna try that, and that is the Clear Base 000, and I got the 2-ounce jar of it. And then I went to the clearance section of their page. I've been wanting to try their liquid specifically. Not that I have an issue with Sparkle & Co., but I'd heard some good things about Double Dip liquids, so I thought I'd better try them. But I decided to go ahead and check out the clearance section, and their Holly Jolly Christmas Starter Kit was actually on clearance by a lot. And I thought, well, it's not much more than just the liquids, so I would try it. So it's this awesome, really pretty bag. It's this beautiful iridescent, which if you've been around my channel long, you know iridescent is my all-time favorite. As you can see, my background here is iridescent. So let's go ahead and open it. So I think this is still available if you're interested. Obviously, these colors are going to be very Christmas winter themed, but from what I could tell, they were definitely they're definitely colors that you can use year round. Don't mind my nails. I don't have anything on them. I just have my polygel extensions, which I'm still working on mastering. All right, so first thing are these super pretty snowflake glitter sequins. So there's silver and gold holographics, and then there's a whole bunch of different shades of iridescent in there. Obviously, I won't be using these for a while, although we are still getting snow, but I don't want to jinx it. Your dip powder kit instructions. And then I'm assuming these are the liquids. All right, so in this box, some extra brushes. You get a buffing block and cuticle pusher, orange wood stick, and then a file. And then here are the dips, or not the dips, the liquids. So this is the base. This is the top coat, the dip top coat. This is the activator. And this is the brush cleaner. All right. Then we have a brush at the bottom, just your standard dusting brush. Those are always nice to have, because I feel like I'm forever always getting powder on my brushes. It's pretty fluffy. Step this aside. Go ahead and open up the powders. So you do get 6 powders in this kit, and they're each 1/2 ounce each. So I'll go ahead, take them out. This one is called Flying Butterfly 1337, and I will go ahead and swatch these for you in a bit. This one is Love and Understanding, CP004. I bet this is red, maybe pink, we'll see. This is a blue, it's called Sleigh Bells, CP005. is a green. It's called Coastal Cabana. It's $13.90. This looks like it might be a champagne or a gold. It's called Spring Goddess, $13.76. And this last one is a red glitter, and it's called His Queen, $13.01. So the kit came with this, all of this, the bag, and the glitters, and the brush. So you got all of this, and it was only $36. Isn't that amazing? I was blown away. So go check their website, see if this is on clearance still. If you haven't already picked it up, go get it. It's an amazing deal right now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the different swatches. So first we have Coastal Cabana. So this is what it looked like in the jar, and that's what it looked like swatched. So it's a really pretty green with some iridescent flakes in there, and they shift from red to green to like orange yellow, if you can see that. This one was sleigh bells. So here's what it looked like in the jar. And then it's definitely like a royal blue sparkle, but it also has some holographic flakes, actually not flakes, hexes in it. Okay, then we have Flying Butterfly. This was the jar. And so it's a silver glitter with some holographic diamonds in it, or rhombuses, whatever shape you want to call them. Don't mind my dirty hands. Then this one was Love and Understanding. Here's the dip. So it's pink with some multi-sized, chunky, it's got some large and some medium iridescent hexes in it. It's definitely a pretty pink color with some, it's got some fine glitter in there as well. It's quite the dip, actually. Not one you would expect to get in a holiday mix, in my opinion, but I like it. All right, and this one is called Spring Goddess. And it's definitely like a gold, champagne-y gold, but it's got a little bit of a hollow shift to it. Not much, but a little bit. And then the last one is His Queen. And it's definitely a red glitter. It's got fine glitter in it, but it also has some red hexes in it. All right, so I'm gonna try and do some kind of a mani with these, and I'm going to be right back because I'm gonna decide what I want to do.
All right, so I chose Spring Goddess and Love and Understanding for my mani. I'm using my base from Double Dip to dip into the Love and Understanding for my thumb. I'm tapping down the jar just to get the big flakes towards the top. This is a very chunky dip, so it wasn't the easiest to work with, and since I was still technically a beginner when I was filming this video, I probably should have chosen an easier dip, but that's okay. It was a learning experience, I'll put it that way. So it turned out nice, it just was tricky. So I'm going to put Love and Understanding on my thumb, my middle finger, and my ring finger? Something like that. So I'm just cleaning up my cuticles, tapping down the large chunks of glitter, and then, I'm doing my ring finger. So I guess I'm doing my thumb, my middle finger, and my ring finger on this mani with the Love and Understanding. and I apologize that I am off camera again. I do get better at it, I promise. And so I finally break out a finger stand later in this video. I just gotten it in the mail that day, and so I thought, why am I not using this thing? And that actually kept me more in the video, so duh. Alright, I'm going in for my second dip layer, and I do go off camera for a little bit, so I cut it out because there's no sense in you seeing nothing. One thing that I did quickly learn using chunky glitters is it's better, instead of dipping, to lay your fingernail on top of the powder. It just lets that glitter lay flatter and not quite as, it doesn't stick up as much, and it's not as difficult to try and press down. So here you can see I finally broke out the finger stand, and now I'm going in with the Spring Goddess, and I just love how sparkly this is. It's a beautiful champagne color, and it just really went well with Love and Understanding. So let me know down in the comments, do you dip? And if so, what is your favorite dip powder company? Because I am always on the hunt for new companies or new, like, that produce either liquids or dips. I don't know, I just really enjoy trying different companies' dips because I feel like they're each unique and they have their own style. So please share your secrets with me. Okay, so I'm now going to use my clear, my 000 clear base to encapsulate the entire set of fingernails, just because I find that buffing the nails is a lot easier when there's a clear coat on them. It's not a necessary step, but pretty much. If you're gonna have a chunky glitter, you do not want to be filing and shaping on top of a chunky glitter, because you're gonna knock all the glitter off, you're gonna dig right into the color, and it's just not as pretty. So I would highly suggest, if you don't have a clear powder, to get one. You can get the double dip one like I'm using. It's a great clear. Or you can even go on Amazon and get the cheap Mia Secret clear acrylic powder. It works just as well. So I'm just dusting off my nails, getting ready to activate. So I'm using the activator, and I just love this activator because I feel like it doesn't have a strong smell, but it does its job very well. I filed and shaped off camera so you didn't have to see that, and now I'm going in with my Beetles base gel as a topper, and then I am going in with my Beetles top coat. I just really enjoy gel. The only thing is, when you have a UNT peel off base coat underneath, you do need to make sure you cap the free edge, otherwise it will pop right off. So I truly hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up, like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for all of those that have subscribed. It means the world to me. Here's the finished mani, and I just love how it turned out. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.